Hello students, we're gonna solve some skills problems. Okay, the first question on the left side says, solve and a scale factor is given and then the measurement in the scale model is also given. So the way we do this, we said we identify different measurements with different colors. So 1 inch is gonna be 3 meters. So that's going to be the scale factor. What it means is that for every 1 inch, they are representing 3 meters, right? Okay, and then I have that the model is actually 4 inches. So that's the picture they created using this scale factor. My next step will be, that will be my first step, identifying the colors. And my second step will be to set up the information. And since we don't have like a lot of space, I'm going to do it right here. And so here it's going to say when I have 1 inch, the scale factor is 3 meters, right? And I put this in yellow and the 3 meters I'm using blue. Now this shape here is a model of a plane, of course. There's no plane that's gonna be 4 inches. 4 inches is very small measurements of units of measurement. So this 4 will be on the side of the inches. You see? It's gonna be 4 inches. And then I'm gonna highlight this, and that's gonna be equals to a number of meters that I don't know yet. And then I have two strategies. I can find the pattern side to side or up and down, or I can do cross multiply, which could be these two numbers, the 3 and the 4, and then divide by the 1. But on this one, the pattern is really easy. You know, I have to go from 4 to this unknown. So also I can check what's going on from 1 to this value. If I go from 1 to 3, because I'm going from left to right, just like I'm doing here, from left to right. If I go from 1 towards the 3, what's happening to the number 1? Is it getting bigger or smaller? Of course it's getting bigger. How many times bigger? 3 times bigger. So then that's why here it needs to happen the same thing. So we should multiply by 3, and when I multiply 4 times 3, the answer is going to be 12. The units, it will be the same units that I have here. That's how it works on proportions. 12 meters. So what is the real length of this plane? And the answer is 12 meters. So remember, to solve your skills, you can have two strategies. The first strategy is to set up the information so kind of looks like a table like this on step 2. Find the pattern so you can find the answer. The other option that you have is, if the pattern is not that friendly, do a proportion. Multiply the two numbers across and then divide. Like the examples on the I do, you do. Thank you.